In this video, I'll show you how you can use Sendfox to create a landing page with a contact form that will capture contact details for potential customers or traffic that you can add to an email mailing list. Sendfox is an email marketing application, so you can use it to create a landing page where you can capture contact details which you'll use to build your mailing list, and then you can create email or newsletters that you can send via email, and you can keep track of statistics relating to those emails. So you can basically run a marketing campaign via email. This is the landing page that I made. So it just says a bit about who I am, what I do, services I provide, and then there's a call to action, plus it has links to my socials as well as the blog that I'm writing with my colleagues, PNG Medical Blog. And then it has the form here where it captures the first name, last name, and email. So you can also include other details, and then they submit. So once they submit, then they are added to your email mailing list, whichever list you choose that context captured on this landing page will be added to. Okay, that's the landing page. This is how it appears to your visitors. It's front facing. Now let's go have a look at what it looks like behind the scenes, or the setup that goes behind it. So this is your dashboard. So inside of your dashboard, under your dashboard, you should see the tab growth. We'll go through all these other tabs in another tutorial, and introductory tutorial. So under the growth tab, you'll see smart pages, forms, and referrals campaign. So referrals campaign, if you're running a campaign where you're giving incentives to your current subscribers, giving them incentives for when they refer or they share the newsletter, or they get other people to subscribe, then they'll get rewards for it. So referrals campaign will allow you to send sequences and for you to keep track of how many referrals people are making for you. And forms, this will allow you to just craft forms with less content than the actual smart pages. So under smart pages, you can have multiple smart pages. I think it's unlimited for the paid plan, and it's limited for the free plan. But with Sendfox, you can get started with the free plan and see, once you outgrow it, then you can pay for it. Okay, this is the smart page. So Sendfox call these smart pages instead of landing pages, but that's essentially what they are. So under the smart page editor, you should see 3 tabs. Content tab is where you see the actual content of your email, or content of your, rather, the landing page. So what you get to type in here with the text, and we'll come back to that later. We'll go to the smaller tabs first though. Okay, under the visual tab, you should see there's the color and the heading, what you want. So the color, this is the color selected, and then this is the heading that displays, or display name. This is basically what shows here. That's the display name, and the color scheme. So I'll probably have to change that. And then you can pick an image if you want. I haven't got an image in there in my landing page. This image is part of the content, so if I were to put an image in there, if I were to put an image according to the visual, it would take up half of the landing page, which I don't want to do so. And then inside of form is basically what is included in here, what information you're capturing. So I've got first name, last name, and email is included in there. You can't exclude email, it's in there by default. So I could include a phone number here, and then go and I save that, and then you could view the page there. So this is the change that I've made. So this will capture the phone number. It's a drop down menu. This is the previous page. So let's go back to this. And where was I? form, so I'll remove that. I don't want to capture phone numbers. Okay, so that's on visual and form. Let's go back to our content. So this will be the title, and it's a landing page. So here is where you get to, let me just move this out of the way so we can see everything. Okay, so here is where you can just start type spacing and whatnot. You just start plugging in the text, and all the tabs up here, they're for you to format your text. Format and then align the text, underline, strike through, quotes, bold, font and the size. And on this side you have these are links. So if you want to turn something into a link, a hyperlink, like how I've linked this part here which says PNG medical blog. So you simply highlight whatever part you want to link, and then you click this, and then you can copy paste the link to the site that you want to go to. And I've also changed the color on this, so this will allow you to insert an image, which is what I've done here. You just insert the image, and then you can browse the image, and then you resize it, and that's about all. So my landing page just shows, it's a basic one. You could get more creative with this, but it serves the function. And down here I've got my socials, so I simply copy pasted the links to my socials, and then I link them using this hyperlink up here. So, and then just my image in there. So then that's basically what it is, what it will look like, or what goes on in the background. So after you're satisfied with that, you click save, and then you have you can view your page, how it would look like to visit us. And then on this left side here you have option to continue editing your smart page, or you can promote your smart page. So promote it, you are simply given options to share to all of these social media platforms, or you can simply copy the smart page link and go and paste it wherever. You can paste it in another landing page, you can paste it in your website, or you can paste it in your social media, your profiles. You can list it anywhere and everywhere.